Gonzalez. Watch out for me on Hashtag Productions, mga hashtag.
Hey guys, it's Kevin Retuya. Watch out for Hashtag Productions, mga kashkada.
Hello mga kashkada, I'm Kiko Cesario and watch out for me on Hashtag Productions.
What's up guys, I'm JK Lanzang and watch out for me on Hashtag Productions.
Hi, this is Nigorong Newton. Watch out for me in Hashtag Productions, mga kashkada.
Hi, ako po si Casey Binubaki. Pakiabangan po ako sa Hashtag Productions, mga ka-hashtag.
Hi guys, my name is Oliver and I am part of a Hashkada family. I'm one of the cast, and yes guys, we're very excited for our upcoming films, small tours, shows, and activities. So I hope you guys support us, and I'll be working with some different YouTube sensations, mga artists, internet sensations. So sobrang dami niyo po makikita. So if you guys support us, mga iba-ibang talents like into singing, to dancing, at marami pang iba. And of course, you guys can also follow us on Twitter, Hashkada, and my Twitter account is Oliver Bacana. So yes, thank you so much. See you guys soon. Mwah.
Hey guys, it's Andrew Antonio. Watch out for Hashtag Productions, mga ka-hashkada.
Hi mga kashkada, I'm Danica and this is Hashtag Productions.
Hello mga kashkada, I'm Alex Timbo. Watch me out in Hashtag Productions. Hello mga mahal kong kashkada, ako po si Neil Fernandez. Abangan supportahan niyo po kami at ang mga films na gagawin namin sa Hashtag Productions.
Hello sa lahat. I'm Daryl Reynes and I'm one of the Hashkada. Abangan niyo ako sa Hashtag Productions.
Hi mga ka-hashkada, I'm Regine Bielga de los Reyes. Watch out for me on Hashtag Productions.